So if you know me, you know I love LinkedIn. And you know I love teaching LinkedIn. It's something that I really just enjoy. And yes, I get really hyper and excited, and everyone has a great time during my LinkedIn workshops because I get to teach your team how to use LinkedIn in such a way that everyone benefits. So listen, 1 hour of your time, zero cost, zero money. I just say, get everyone around the Zoom room and let's talk LinkedIn. Maybe there's a few people that would like me to use their LinkedIn as an example, which I'm always happy to do. I will really show your team why LinkedIn is where you want to be, whether it's for sales that you need today or sales that you need in the future, whether it's for your personal brand, your company's brand. It doesn't matter. I can teach it all. So do me a favor down below, click, go on the calendar, find a time for us. Let's have a lot of fun. This is only fun business because LinkedIn is a social media platform that's very important. But I believe, and it's also how I like to learn, I learn best when I'm having fun. So let's have fun together. All right. So I'll see you when you book the time. I thank you in advance for booking the time. And I'm telling you to book your time. See you soon. Thank you.